Hey everyone, Ben Greilanger here with House Geeks and Bricks Real Estate with a market update for November 13th using data that's put out on November 4th for the week ending November 4th. So let's get right into it. Um, yeah, definitely not a lot of major changes, in the fall market right now. Probably the biggest change has been with interest rates, as I'll get into at the end here. Um, So new listings pretty much in line with where they were last year, with that 3 month total right around 1.5% lower than last year. So not a lot of dramatic change in listings. Pending sales kind of similar, but definitely a little bit lower over the past 3 months, down 7% from last year. And that's just kind of showing that, the higher interest rates are, just kind of keeping some of that buyer energy a little bit lower. Inventory for homes for sale has been consistently lower than last year by in that 5 to 8% range. And it's kind of has that same general curve. That's, that fall market pullback from new homes coming on the market over the next 2 months. Days on market, going up as, just the buyer energy is a little bit slower. Median sale price, 371, up 2.4% from last year's September, and but definitely slowing down compared to the 6.3% growth from last year. And hopefully we'll have October's data out here shortly in the next week. The house of housing affordability is definitely at the lowest it's been in a long time. With the buyer energy slowing down, we're seeing the inventory months of supply of homes going up gradually. We were at 1.4 months back in January. Now we're up to 2.4. And that's 20% more than this time last year, which just kind of shows you, even though there's not a lot of new houses coming on the market, the buyer energy is just not keeping pace with the housing, and that's creating a buyer's market out there. There's just more and more inventory every month. Like I mentioned, the interest rates have had a big shift over the past week. You can kind of see how over this year since March, rates have got pretty close to 8, right in that 8 range, and has shifted down into the 7.5 range this past week, and that will probably make a difference on buyers re-entering the market with a half point shift downwards. Affordability changes kind of puts people in a good spot. We'll see what happens over the next couple of weeks. We'll probably see this go up and down as the Fed makes their decisions, and with how inflation's looking. But overall, fairly stable on the housing side of things. It's all kind of how does the interest rate look over the next couple months, and how that's going to bring more buyers into the marketplace. So hope that helps, and be sure to like and subscribe, share with anyone that you think might find it helpful. All right, thanks. Bye.